Hello, my name is Stewart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is September 16th, and I'm in Jones. Just did Jones' lawn here. And Joan lives in the Matthews Beach, North Seattle area. And this is a pretty good sized slope, you can't really see. But I have thatched it, aerated it, seeded it, and fertilized it. And I put a soil amendment on there. I put some lime on there. And some soil amendment on top of the seed there. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at it. I also put on a wetting agent, and because this is a very heavy clay, hard clay-based soil. And come back and just see how my work looks. And once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching Company. Thank you for watching my video. Hello, this is Stewart, and today is October 15th. And once again, I'm on Jones' property. This is a lawn that I previously thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put some lime on here, a wetting agent, and a little bit of soil amendment too. Try to bring this lawn back. It's on a slope, and I'm very happy with the results and how this came back. Once again, this is Stewart, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.